AI in the AEC industry is not new. It's been around for a long time, years if not decades. Generative AI is a relatively new term. It's been around for about a year and a half at this point, and it's starting to feed into everything we do. AI in itself is getting better every single day. What we have today is not the same as what we had last week or 2 weeks ago. So it's definitely something that's going to have a huge impact on the AEC industry because it's already had a huge impact on the AEC industry. Let me give you a couple examples of the way that AI could be used in the real world for any size of municipality. Let's say that I have a number of different templates that have been used to generate reports, and I really want just one master template that's built upon these years of different reports. That I can put all those reports into AI and say, create me one master template that I can now use moving forward. Or let's say I have specs, and I need to compare it to a master list of specs to make sure that I haven't made any mistakes in the way that I've been putting the part numbers together. I can say, take this list of part numbers, maybe it's 3,000 part numbers, compare my part numbers to this master list, and it's going to cross-check and tell me whether I have any mistakes within my work. That's the type of things that AI can do that, yes, I can do that manually. I can go line by line and double-check every single part number, but we have the ability to do it through AI, and the time savings and the process and the lessened risk of human error is huge, and that's one of the things that AI can really bring to the forefront. Since we're looking at just what AI can do for us moving forward, there's so many unknowns. There's so many things that are coming out daily that are going to help us in our everyday life. But what I would like to think is that the time savings from, let's go back to building the bridge and the time that it would take to streamline that and make that a faster process, that time then can be put into the quality control at the end, making sure that you have more time to put into the back end, which sometimes can get rushed depending on what you're trying to work on. So I really like to think that AI can help us by speeding up some parts of the process so that we can spend more time on the parts that maybe need a little more intricacies, a little more detail-oriented, a little more just human touch, human finesse. The reason that generative AI is one of the top AEC trends that are going to impact everyone, not just municipalities, not just private developers, everyone, is because it is so big and it's so quickly moving and it's so fast that it really can speed up our day-to-day lives. But it's also moving so quickly that it's hard to really wrap our heads around it. So getting to know AI today is going to set you up for success when we're looking at what the future of AI is going to be a year from now. And that's really important to just start that journey and get moving on it.